Welcome back to Giveaway CPA. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the actual network for the method, and it's going to be called Rev Response. And Rev Response basically gives away business-oriented information to entrepreneurs and corporate executives for them to be better business people and smarter in their business or in their niche. Now, the offers that Rev Response makes available range between special reports to white papers and to software. And so basically, the company calls itself a B2B traffic network. Now, your job in using Rev Response is going to be generating giveaways to the entrepreneurs so that the CPA network can find the right kind of people for the company that's actually hired them. So in many cases, you'll have a company like Adobe, you'll have a company like HubSpot to hire Rev Response in order to generate leads. And your job is to find the kind of people who would want their information or who would really be their customer. Now, payouts are typically determined according to the nature of the lead. So obviously, if you're going to be generating a lead that's going to be spending a higher amount of money with the company, then that lead's going to be worth more. It's very easy to understand. And in some cases, if the lead is probably not going to be spending as much, then the lead will pay, but it won't pay as much as those leads that are going to be spending lots of money. Now, the network also gives away, and this is what's really powerful, industry trade publication. So if you can think of any trade publication across any different business specialty, Rev Response actually does generate a lot of the giveaways and generates a lot of traffic to those trade publications. And because this is so important, we're now going to take a look at the site that really does give you insight on the range of those trade publications called tradepub.com. And at tradepub.com, you'll see the range of different industries that Rev Response actually uses in order to attract people into certain marketing funnels. For instance, here on the front page, just as we decide to take a look, you'll see a military and aerospace trade publication. You'll see Website Magazine, which is a trade publication. You'll see Sound and Communications, which is a trade publication. You'll see NASA, or National Aeronautics Space Association. They have a trade publication. You can go inside of the food and beverage industry or any of these industries. Just if we were to click inside of the food and beverage industry, you'll see a number of different trade publications. And so when you think of the business people that would be working in these industries, that would be interested in these publications, those are going to be the people that you are going to want to attract into your marketing funnel so that they will sign up for free information. So it's probably a good idea to take a look around tradepub.com, and then we'll then go into the actual network where you are going to be generating leads and referrals for Rev Response. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.